All right, so we've got a few bent parts.
A few.
All right, guys, welcome back to another episode of Irish Off-Road. Today, what we are going to be doing is we're gonna show you a little bit of prep on the race car. So right now, we're in the middle of curfew, quarantine, whatever you want to call it, but we're gonna get this going.
2-day race, bent almost everything on the car, went through all the spares at the track.
Went through other people's spares.
Definitely was not.
Thanks, Jeff, if you're watching this.
Yeah, thanks to Jeff loaning me rear axle.
We're gonna pull this out for you. That way you can have it back.
Woo, she's a longie too. Hold it center on that kingpin. Oh.
Feed it in.
Okay, they're the same. I kind of want the 1-inch narrower one. This is just stuff I had laying around the garage to get me through the weekend. So, track, we bent an axle. This axle is 1 inch longer than what I normally run. So on the steering rod, all I had was one of these shorter steering rods here, so I had to take the heims and turn them all the way out to align my toe. So I had one of these longer steering rods back here at the shop, and I'm just replacing this one out. That way the heim's not hanging out so much, so it's not so weak. You know, a little bit of contact, that heim will snap right off.
Oh, this video is about to get a lot more wild right now.
Hey, gal, you can take it in the rear in the Navy.
So what happened tonight, Justin? How much did we get done?
Well, we got one thing done. Brian was able to pack that wheel. Oh, we got 2 things done. Brian was able to pack that wheel bearing. We got that tie rod changed. Then our buddy Damien and his son Tommy came by, and we got nothing done. We started drinking beer, and it just... We'll try again tomorrow night. Well, we got the new radiator. Had Damien take it home the other night, and he was able to weld little extensions off so we can mount the fan further off the radiator and allow the air to actually come through the radiator and not get clogged up by the fan. So that looks good. I think I overlooked something, and I don't know if I have a way to hook up the water temp sensor.
Alright guys, so this is a brand new radiator for Justin. He just put a Yamaha 636 into this car.
Take 2. Jeep guys don't know shit.
Kawasaki 636. It's a Kawasaki, not a Yamaha. He had a Yamaha 600 in there before, and it decided to say, knock knock, who's there? Cylinder number 2. So, found a screaming deal on this motor, had to get it. Chris Hinkle built the motor. We're trying to keep it from blowing up and having to go revisit him again. So right now we're having some cooling issues. This old radiator right here, just not cutting it.
It's taller, thicker. Problem is, I forgot to consider water temp sensor.
How to actually see if it's hot or not. Gone 3 races, overheated twice.
Where's your big drain pan?
Outside. Alright, so these new episodes are brought to you in part by Jonathan. He actually sent us this whole cool camera lighting system, and I was able to finally hook it up. So hopefully we won't be shooting videos in the dark like the beginning of this, but we're gonna go look for our pan. It's somewhere around here. Oh Jesus.
The light works real good. Unfortunately, I think this is what we're gonna need. Awesome. $5 fucking
Science. All right, let's get this radiator out of here.
there. Top's gonna be below the radiator bar. We'll have to make some form of air shroud, it looks like. We're gonna lose a lot of air around the side underneath this thing. Go ahead and pull it out for a second. Mika's sad because our chances of racing tomorrow are slim to none now.
Dwindling.
Yeah, dwindling by the minute. Disappointing. You know, we definitely had to take any chance of any good finish in points this year out missing a race.
Well, we got this fancy new shift.
Oh yeah, Damien welded this, as you can probably heard in practice of that last video, I missed a shift a little bit.
If not, we'll include it.
Like rock. I missed a shift, and it's because this bracket was moving, so.
What do you think was happening, though? Why do you think this brace is going to be better?
Because this brace wasn't there, and I think when I was, because it was in the left hand, I was jamming it, and it was twisting like that.
Alright guys, well I'm gonna finish editing this video and we're gonna post it tonight. That way you can have something to watch tomorrow. June 13th, Dixon Speedway. This thing will actually make it out there. Let's call it a wrap. Like, subscribe, and comment. You ready to go inside? Alright, let's go.